Starting paint. To start paint, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Scroll to find letter W in Program list. Step 2. Click on Windows Accessories. Step 3. A drop-down list appears. Click on Paint. The paint window is displayed. Look at the paint window shown below. You have already learned about the components of paint window. Let's recall them and also read more tools and shapes and their functions. Pencil tool. This tool is used for freehand drawing. Eraser tool. This tool is used to erase/remove the drawings, texts or shapes. Fill with color tool. This tool is used to fill colors in a closed figure. Text tool. This tool is used to write in paint. Brushes tool. This tool is used to draw anything with a free hand movement. The brushes tool has different thickness options. We can change the thickness of the brush. Line shape. This shape is used to draw lines in any direction from top to bottom or from left to right. Rectangle shape. This shape is used to draw squares or rectangles of different sizes. Oval shape. This shape is used to draw ovals or circles of different sizes. A circle is absolutely round, but an oval is egg-shaped. Rounded rectangle shape. This shape is used to draw rectangles or squares with rounded corners. Polygon shape. This shape is used to draw a closed shape with straight lines. Curve shape. This shape is used to draw curved lines. Color picker tool. The color picker tool is used to pick a color from an existing object and reuse in other object within the same drawing area. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Draw a triangle. Step 2. Choose a color from Colors group. Step 3. Fill color in triangle by using Fill with Color tool. Step 4. Draw an oval as another object. Step 5. Select the color picker tool from the tools group and click inside the triangle to copy the color. Step 6. Move mouse and click inside the oval. The same color is filled inside the oval. Call out shape. Call out shape is a text box. It is used to write a comment in box. Paint provides 3 types of call-out shapes, which are rounded rectangle call-out, oval call-out, and cloud call-out. To draw a call-out, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Select a call-out shape from Shapes group. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse in the drawing area to draw a call-out. You can also fill color in the call-out by using Fill with Color tool. Selecting an image. Select command is used to select a drawing or a part of a drawing. It is mainly used when you want to move your drawing from one place to another. It provides 2 types of selection: rectangular selection and free-form selection. Rectangular selection. It is used to select the drawing in rectangular form as per need. To select the drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on the down arrow under Select command. Step 3. Click on Rectangular selection. Step 4. Hold the left button of the mouse and drag over the drawing to select it. Release the left button of the mouse. Free form selection. It is used to select the drawing in free form as per need. To select the drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on the down arrow under Select command. Step 3. Click on Free form selection. Step 4. Hold the left button of the mouse and drag over the drawing to select it. Release the left button of the mouse. The selected part is show outside the drawing. Resizing an image. Resize command is used to change the size of an image by making it shorter or longer. To resize an image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Select command. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Resize command. Resize and Skew dialog box appears. Step 5. Select the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox. Step 6. Enter the horizontal value width or vertical value height. Step 7. Click OK. The resize of the image will appear. Skewing an image. Skew command is used to stretch the image from one end while other end remains fixed. To skew an image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Select command and then click on Rectangular selection. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Resize command. Resize and Skew dialog box will appear. Step 5. In the Skew section, enter the value between 0 and 89 either in the horizontal or vertical boxes. Step 6. Click OK. The skew of the image will appear. Flipping an image. Flip command is used to get the mirror image of the drawing either horizontally or vertically. To flip an image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Select command. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Rotate command. You will see two options to flip. Step 5. Click on Flip horizontal or Flip vertical. In this example, the image is flipped vertically. Rotating an image. Rotate command is used to change the position of the drawing at different angles. To rotate an image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Select command. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Rotate command. You will see three options to rotate. Step 5. Click on the rotation direction you want, for example, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. In this example, the image rotates 90 degrees to the right. Zooming an image. The zoom tool is used to get a bigger and closer view of the image by using zoom in and zoom out features. To zoom the image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on View tab. Step 2. Click on the following options. Click on Zoom in to see a closer view. Click on Zoom out to reduce the zoom level. Cropping an image. Crop command is used to clear everything outside the selected area. After cropping, only selected part of the image is visible. To crop the image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Select command and then click on Rectangular selection. Step 3. Select the part of the image you want to see. Step 4. Click on Crop command. The cropped image will appear in the drawing area. Copying and pasting. Copy and paste command is used to make a duplicate image of the drawing on another place in the drawing area. To copy and paste the image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Select command. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Copy from the clipboard group. Step 5. Click on Paste from the clipboard group. The duplicate image will appear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Cutting and pasting. Cut and paste command is used to delete the image from its original place and paste it to another place. To cut and paste the image, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Select command. Step 3. Select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Step 4. Click on Cut from the clipboard group. The image will disappear from the Paint window. Step 5. Click on Paste from the clipboard group. The image will appear in the drawing area. Saving the drawing. You can save your drawing if you want to see it again or make changes later. To save your drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on Save or Save As from the drop-down menu. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Type a name for the file in the File Name box. Step 4. Click on Save. Your drawing gets saved by the name you have typed. You will see that the name of the file appears on the title bar. Opening an old drawing. If you want to work on any old drawing that you have saved, the first step will be to open that file. To open an old drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click Open option from the drop-down menu. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the file name that you want to open or type the file name in the File Name box. Step 4. Click on Open button. Setting a drawing as desktop background. You can set your drawing as your desktop background. To set a drawing as desktop background, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Select Set as Desktop Background from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select any of the three options: Fill, Tile or Center. Fill. The drawing fills the entire desktop. Tile. The drawing repeats itself and fills the desktop. Center. The drawing appears in the middle of the screen. Saving a file in different formats. Paint allows you to save a file in different formats like PNG, BMP, JPEG, etc. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. BMP stands for Bitmap Image. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. To save a file in different formats, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on Save As option from the drop-down menu. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Select the required format. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 4. In the File Name box, type the file name. Step 5. Click on the Save button.